Mindful eating is the practice of intentionally focusing on your food and being fully present while eating. This approach has been found to have numerous benefits that go beyond just satisfying hunger. When you eat mindfully, you are more likely to make conscious choices about the food you put into your body, which can lead to enhanced well-being and vitality. One of the benefits of mindful eating is weight management. By paying attention to your hunger cues and eating slowly, you are less likely to overeat, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Another benefit is improved digestion. By savoring every bite and chewing your food thoroughly, you can aid in the digestion process and reduce digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. Mindful eating can also help reduce stress and anxiety. Taking the time to sit down and truly enjoy your meal can be a relaxing and calming experience. Additionally, being mindful of the flavors and textures of your food can enhance your overall sensory experience, leading to greater enjoyment of your meal. Incorporating mindful eating into your daily routine doesn't have to be difficult. It can be as simple as putting away distractions such as phones or TVs during meal times and taking a few deep breaths before you start eating. By making conscious choices about the food you eat and being present while eating, you can reap the benefits of mindful eating and feel more in tune with your body.